You know the drill. You're juggling half a dozen marketing tools, each with its own login, interface, and learning curve. Trying to keep everything organized feels like a never-ending battle. And it's just not working. The frustration builds up, and you start to wonder if there's a better way. Well, say goodbye to that headache, because HighLevel is here to save the day. HighLevel is your all-in-one marketing platform, designed to bring everything you need under one roof. No more switching between different tools and platforms. Imagine not having to duct tape multiple platforms together and instead having it all seamlessly integrated. Picture this. You're creating high-converting landing pages, surveys, forms, and even calendars all in one place. HighLevel's full-featured page builder is your new best friend. Design entire websites, funnels, and captivating landing pages with custom menus, all with a few clicks. No coding skills required, just drag and drop. Let's talk lead capture. HighLevel's drag and drop surveys and forms make it super simple. Collect customer info directly and embed these forms right on your site. It's that easy. And it doesn't stop there. HighLevel integrates an inbound phone system. Customers can call you with just a click, making communication smoother than ever. Imagine one platform handling your entire marketing strategy. No more switching between tools. No more losing leads in the chaos. Just streamlined, effective marketing. Whether you're a solo marketer or part of a team, HighLevel has everything you need to create, manage, and optimize your campaigns all in one place. Everything from landing pages to comprehensive websites to detailed surveys and even calendar management. HighLevel brings it all together. Ready to simplify your marketing toolkit? Check the link below to sign up for free and experience the power of HighLevel for yourself. Remember, marketing doesn't have to be complex. Make it simple, make it HighLevel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your marketing life easier.